Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. I am the One Man Click, and you are watching Sneaker Adventure. Like to treat my feet, finest leather and rubber. Another one like me, I promise you there's no other. Keep the swoosh and the stripes, alligator and ostrich. Shoe game on point, so every day I got options. Fresh starts from my feet, then I work my way up. Now, if you're new to my channel, Sneaker Adventures is something like a series that I do where I like to go buy kicks, and I take you with me as I go buy sneakers and, you know, different places, different states, you know, stuff like that. But today we're not doing that. Today we're doing something a little different. We're going to trick your kicks. And what I mean by that, we're going to customize it. I'm going to show you a certain way that I like to customize my, you know, some of my sneakers so I look different. Because if you know me and you know the kicks I wear, it's not your ordinary kicks. I got some, you know, I got a different style, but that's just me. You know what I mean? Whether it be, you know, different tips for the shoelaces, whether it be, you know, different, you know, color laces, all that stuff, which we'll get into other videos in the future. But today I'm going to show you how to trick them a certain way that I like to do them. And like I said, it might be something new for some people. It's going to be, anyways, you know, stay tuned and see how these kicks come out. Now, some of y'all may know this trick, some of y'all may not, but you're gonna find out today. So anyways, these are Fat Farms, not the OG ones, which I would love to get me a pair, but that's a totally different story. But anyways, the reason I chose Fat Farms is because, well, it's the first shoe that I learned how to do this trick on, and the way I learned how to do them was my cousin Guillermo. Which, you know, shout out to him, shout out cuz. You know what I mean? I was at my uncle's house one day, and he's from out of state, so he came over and visited, and he saw that I had Fat Farms, the OG ones, and I had fat laces on them. So he showed me a trick that he had learned from somebody else, watching somebody in the mall when they first bought a pair of kicks. And it changed my life because nobody else in school had done it, nobody else had them. One Man Click had them, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So you're gonna need a pair of kicks, whichever ones you like, and my little box with all my stuff in it, my shoe stuff. You're gonna need some fat tip laces. You're gonna need some fat laces, whichever two colors you like. You know what I mean? This is blue and white to go with the shoes, but a pair of fat laces and a pair of kicks. Step one. We're gonna take off these laces, so we got a fresh pair. Trusty old knife, let's take the tags off. Pop these tags, so you know it's fresh, you know what I mean? Now in case y'all wonder where the hell did he find Fat Farms? I found them at a City Trends when I was in Virginia, so. And this comes real handy too, since I have a lot of shoes. Some of my white laces might get dirty, so now I got an extra pair. Or I might want to put them back on these, you never know. All done. No laces. See? No laces. Now these might be a little tricky because they don't got laces all the way. They don't got holes all the way through. So let's see how it turns out. I'm pretty sure they'll still come out fine. Or dope. You know what I mean? Now these shoelaces, I got them on Amazon. You know what I mean? I think these are, I want to say they're 3/4 of an inch wide, thick. You know what I mean? You get these on Amazon. Now when you do these, well, I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all what they are. They're a checkered pattern on your kicks. So your base shoelace, you could do whichever one. You could do the white, or you could do the blue, or whatever color you're using. I preferably like to use the main color, which would be blue for me, and then use the white after that. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do these. First, y'all have to get them right here, making sure they're even. Okay. Now remember, y'all want to make sure these things are even. Okay, and y'all don't want to do them too tight either, because like I said, you're not going to be able to tighten these once you put them on. So leave them, you know, a little bit loose, and adjust them to, you know, whatever your preference is. Okay, so we're gonna do them that way. All right, so as you can see, that's how we're gonna do the first one. It'll be fat like that. Okay, and then we're gonna continue that pattern and keep going. All right, as you can see, we got them done all the way across. Now this is personal preference. You can make them as wide as you want, or you can make them as narrow as you want. And don't even worry about this right here, because as you can see, it doesn't have laces all the way through, but the laces are fat enough where it'll cover it up. And this, you can put it underneath the tongue, or you can put it above the tongue. You're not gonna notice it once you put the other set of laces on it. Okay, so we're gonna do that right now. Now with these, you started from the bottom. The other ones, you're gonna start from the top. Okay. And these are just gonna hang out. You're not gonna tie them or anything, so you can put them as short or as long as you want them. You know what I mean? So, personal preference, up to you. Okay, you're gonna start like this. You're gonna weave it in. Okay, so over and under, over and under. And you're gonna go all the way. You're gonna continue that process until you get to where you would like it. Okay. As you can see, over, under. Okay. Get all the slack over here. Okay, and you're gonna take it as far as you can this way. Now, grab it again and repeat the process from the bottom up. Okay, under, over, under, over. Alright, and you're gonna continue. And that's how you do checkered shoelace. Now, like I said, this is just my preference. You could make them as wide as you want as far as the laces going, you know, horizontally, and you can do them as many times as you want vertically. You know what I mean? It really is up to you. But that's pretty much the basics of it, and how you do, you know, how you do the checkered laces. You know what I mean? It's a little different, you know what I mean? So you're not the same like everybody else, but hey, it's different, and it goes with the kick. You know what I mean? I used to do this with my fat farmers. My original fat farmers are red, and I used to do them with them all the time. You know what I mean? So that's how you do these. Now I'm gonna do the other one, but I'm gonna go up a step further, and I'm gonna do less. You know what I mean? So let's see how those turn out. Now, see these? I did them a little wider, and I put the tongue above them, so the tongue ain't gonna go down. You know what I mean? So I think I like this style better. I think I like it the way I did this time better. But anyway, see, I left them a little wider, and I started with the white as the first base. Okay, now another thing you want to do, so these things don't come loose or anything, tie your laces inside the shoe. Whatever your base one's gonna be, tie the laces inside, because you keep walking around on them, they're gonna loosen up and all that stuff. So try to tie them as close as you can. That way they don't go nowhere and they don't move too much. You know what I mean? So another little tip. And there we go. Pattern 2. Now this one, I like it better. You know what I mean? Because the color pops out a little bit more. So I'll probably end up doing, well, I'm gonna end up doing another shoe exactly the same. Okay, did you see that? So personal preference, we did both. As you can see, the blue pops out more on the left shoe than it does the right shoe. You know what I mean? But like I said, it's personal preference. Just make sure you tie your laces. You know what I mean? So came out dope. I mean, for me anyways, I like it. This is the first shoe I did. Which, like I said, don't look bad. This one right here is with the base being the white laces, which, like I said, it pops out a lot better than the other one. And this one is with the base being the color. So, like I said, it's personal preference, whichever one you choose. Like I said, it's personal preference, whichever one you choose. You know what I mean? So, and these are bad, man. I like these. These are clean. They weren't expensive. I think I paid like 20 bucks for them. You know, nice clean pair of kicks I haven't worn yet. I should have bought another pair. But anyways. Alright, YouTube. That was a tutorial on how to trick your kicks. Like I said, did them 2 different ways. Whichever one you want is really up to you. It's personal preference. As far as how far you want these out, again, that's personal preference. As well as the shoes. But man, look how clean these things look. Don't they look different? Don't they look better? You know, for me anyways, it looks better than just regular old laces. You know what I mean? So you can get these laces wherever you buy them. I got them on Amazon. You know what I mean? I'll leave the link in the description for all this stuff. You know what I mean? As far as the laces, the shoes, and all that. It'll be in the description. So make sure y'all check that out if y'all want to get something like these or where I got these laces. Okay? And as far as your old laces go, save them. Because you could always use them for another pair. For something else. If you're a real sneakerhead and, you know, sneaker fanatic, you can always use laces. You know what I'm saying? So if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And comment down below what you think. And you don't have to do them on Fat Farms. This is, like I said, these are the brand new pair of kicks I had. And the brand new laces I bought specifically for these. You know what I mean? But you could do them on any shoe. Okay, so make sure y'all. Now, if y'all like the way these came out, and y'all do them yourselves, make sure y'all tag me on it. Tag me in the photo on Instagram. My link will be in the description. And make sure y'all follow me on all social media, man. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, all that stuff. You know what I mean? I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. Like I said, like this video, subscribe to the channel, share the video, all that, man. Till next time. One Man Click, and this is Sneaker Adventures.